Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to upload runs from Apple Watch to Strava. Let's go. Open Strava app. Log into your account. View. Settings. Connect an app or device. Connect your Apple Watch. Manage apps and devices. Health. Connect. In order for all data from the Apple Watch to be uploaded to the Strava app, turn on all. There will be an archive of non-synchronized workouts. You can add them manually. To upload a workout from Apple Watch to Strava, tap Import. All data from the workout app will be displayed in the Fitness app and in the Strava app. All data from the Strava app will be displayed in the Fitness app and in the Strava app. That's it. Now you know how to upload runs from Apple Watch to Strava. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.